Is this a foldable kitchen or what? Are you looking for something to rent for 3K? You want to see the pillow? This is disgusting. That's why you pay £3,000, because you sponsored this. If I pay £2,000 for an apartment, I'm freaking cooking in it because I don't have any money left to go to a restaurant. Welcome to another episode of London Rentals Horror Stories. I couldn't resist because it just keeps giving. And we're not looking today at £1,000 properties, we're going to go higher. If you think like, oh, if I'm gonna pay £2,000 or £3,000 for one bedroom apartment or for a studio, it has to be good. I mean, it's so much money. I have to be so rich to be able to afford £3,000 rent for one bedroom apartment that it has to be amazing. It has to be good. No, in London, not. Here's my proof, because I'm just, again, cannot comprehend what I can see and the money that you ask for it. So let's have a look at the first one. So this is £1,650 a month. Natural light coming through the window. I like that. No carpets. I like that. Seems pretty kind of big. I mean, £1,600. Okay. Here is where it gets confusing. All of a sudden, I see a room and I'm like, hang on, is this a bed? Somehow can get folded, right? Because this doesn't seem like a normal, usual bed. Not to mention this mattress looks absolutely disgusting. Here I am looking at this picture. I don't even know what's going on with this one. And I'm thinking, is this another room? So then I go again and I see two couches. I don't even know why this is here. So how do you open this wardrobe when you have a couch there? Maybe I am so stupid, I don't understand how you meant it. Okay, a building, again, it's like, oh, I'm definitely renting a building, so I have to see it from every angle. And we're back to the original picture, right, to the first one. So I'm looking at it, again, I don't know what's going on with this, like, what is this? Is this a foldable kitchen or what? Bathroom, I guess, in the apartment. This is a huge kitchen, I would say, super huge for the price. When you put the clothes into a washing machine, you have to be like this, squeezed in. It's like, ugh, you know. How do you even open this cupboard without hitting your stove? How can you even do anything in this kitchen? Honestly, £1,650. This bed right here is actually a couch. So you can see it from here as well. It's a foldable bed. Oh my God, this has to be so comfortable. And it looks pretty old, but okay. You pay £1,650. You don't even have the bed. If you have the bed, there is no space for anything else. So you're gonna sit on this couch and do what? Or you're gonna sit on one of the couches and do what? Like, what are you gonna do? Where's the table? How are you gonna eat your food? You're gonna sit on the couch, eat your food? Fine. But what's the point? And if I look at the floor plan, oh, there's no floor plan. Moving on, we have this £1,950 a month. Wow, that's a jackpot right there. Earl's Court, pretty good location, let's say. I would say in terms of the fact that you're going to be Freddie Mercury's neighbor. But apart from that, it's not that great anymore. Kitchen. Super tiny mini kitchen. You have a garbage bin under the tables, super comfortable. You have a stove with like two options. I have never seen a smaller stove in my life. I don't know what are you gonna put here? Cocaine or what? And then you have like, what the hell is this? But look at this fridge. You pay £2,000 for rent and you have this big fridge. I guess you don't cook. Like, do you even cook in this country? Seriously, you need to have a big fridge. I don't understand. If I pay £2,000 for an apartment, I'm freaking cooking in it because I don't have any money left to go to a restaurant. Damn, where's the washing machine though? So according to the floor plan, this is just over 2 meters. Here it looks much bigger than it is, but don't be fooled. So you have this, you have a ladder, you know, to your bedroom. I love this. £2,000 a month. Why not? Oh, you're gonna sit here and you're gonna watch TV like this. Oh, sorry, like this. Oh yeah, I love this. I love this. Oh, but you can say like, oh yeah, TV comes in the price. Super comfortable to watch. And what is this? This is for your home elf This is for your elf or a kid, because you're definitely moving with a child into something like this. Yeah, we have a better look on this. This is like, is this supposed to be your working desk? Oh, here the ladder up to your bedroom. Wow, what a big, great bedroom. Oh, you have the light here. Great. Looking at the floor plan, as I said, this is supposed to be only 2 meters, 21 centimeters. That's super small for £2,000 a month. No, thank you. Moving on, £3,000 a month. Oh my God, this is like for free. What you get? £3,000 a month. Look at this. Fulham Broadway. Okay, you're going to live where rich people live, because if you have £3,000 a month, you have to earn so much money that you have to be rich. So why wouldn't you want to live in this huge apartment? Look at this. So you have the couch, which is probably like 60 years old. This looks like you found it next to the garbage bins anywhere in London. So the couch is located not to watch the TV, but to watch the mirror, because they want to put it on some kind of carpet. Fine, you have the dining table at least. I mean, £3,000 a month. I would expect to have a dining table, excuse me. So in order for you to go into the shower, you have to climb the stairs. What? You're like, this is literally looking like you're going to kill yourself. This is so dangerous. Look at this radiator. Like, what is this? What is this? And you have a double decker. But the wooden floor in the bathroom is just, it's calling for a lot of mold and not very good planning from the architects. Oh, this is how you cover the mold. You put that white thing on it. It's like a glue. This is your kitchen. Kitchen looks spacious. It looks pretty good in terms of the equipment. Oh, you have a balcony. Nice. Is this the building? Ew. This is probably agent's car. This is why they ask, well, agent or landlord. This is why they ask £3,000. Because some people commented, oh, it's because their mortgage got, high. Everything is more expensive. They have to pay so much money for mortgage, blah, blah, blah. Oh yeah, how can you afford a Mercedes of this kind? That's why you pay £3,000, because you sponsored this. Tell me I'm wrong. What the hell is this? Like, ew. This building looks like it's falling apart. It's getting ridiculous. Look at this beautiful building. 1,000, reduced today. I wonder why. 1,850 Finchley Road. Not great, but not horrible. Oh, you have a bed. What is this? A clothes dryer. Oh, you have the TV, of course. What would we do without TV? And I know that you see TV behind me, but I barely watch it, by the way, and it's on mine. 1,850. You have a bedroom here in the corner, and then you have the couch, so your guests can come right into your bedroom. Okay. You have a table, then you have a kitchen. And the beautiful building, I love the design, the architecture of that. I'm pretty sure it was Gaudi, And definitely great looking at the tree in front of it. This is your kitchen. Again, very spacious. Almost £2,000 for this, yeah. This couch looks super tiny from this angle. Bathroom, incredibly dirty. Wow. This is disgusting. This is disgusting. They don't even bother to clean it when taking pictures. Oh, you have a wardrobe here. You can put something in there. I mean, for £2,000 almost, you would expect that. The bed looks bigger from this angle, so at least it's a double bed. But still, it's essentially a studio apartment. Like, that's for £2,000? Like, huh? Moving on. 2,300. Let me see this. I'm freaking curious. No floor plan. Red flag. Spacious. So spacious. Of course, the TV. I think this used to be hotel rooms, but they cannot get tourists to pay so much money for it anymore. So they just rent it out to Londoners. Another TV, of course. Okay, so the door goes behind the chair. If you want to close the door, you just have to move the chair and close it. £2,300. On this table, there's so many people can live here, you know, or you can invite guests. 1,750. Let's see, very bright. I like that. A couch, of course, little TV here, super tiny. No carpets, good. This is the bedroom. Also, this looks nice. Again, you're sponsoring this with your rent. And of course, the BMW next to it. £2,000 a month. Again, super TV in the kitchen, of course. This is the fridge. This looks like, what? This looks like the fridge from 1950s. Why it's so huge? Look at another BMW that you sponsor with your rent. Right, so the kitchen is together with the living room. So this is the living room, but it's a kitchen as well. And then you have the bedroom. £2,000. It looks clean and everything. 1,950, basically £2,000. It seems pretty, you know, bright. And of course, a lot of plants. I think maybe way too many, like seriously. So you have like, you know, dining table. Why they assume you're gonna live there by yourself? Because this, it just looks like it, like just one person can eat. Can you afford to pay over £2,000 in rent? I mean, including the bills and all that, as just one person. This is just, looks like a witch is living there already. I don't like this vibe at all. It's too bright. It's too kind of science and like why? Why? A balcony? Is this a balcony or garden? It's cool. You can do like barbecue in here, apart from the fact that everybody from this ugly building is going to watch you. Who designed these buildings, honestly? Great location. In great location, they say. Where? It's not great location. I don't think so. I'm sorry. I don't think so. 2,050. Sandal Crescent. E1. There's no door between your bedroom and living room, which seems so furnished. Of course, you can bring your own equipment. It seems like you have a balcony. Oh, so the living room comes with the kitchen, and there's no door between your bedroom and the kitchen and the living room. So whatever you cook is going to go into your bedroom as well. That's not healthy for sure. For £2,000, excuse me. Is this a balcony or is it just like a window? Still no door. Why they don't put door in? A big bathroom. This is all for, you know, wheelchair access. Whitechapel. I'll pass. Thank you. Acton, £3,000. Huh? What is this? It's the ironing desk turned into a table. What is this? What is this? Of course, a huge TV. I want to rent this out for 3K. So instead of focusing on the space, I'm going to focus on the painting that I've done. And it made me famous. And that's why, you know, I could afford to buy this apartment and rent it out. Look at my art. You know, this is so important when you pay £3,000 a month. You have to see the painting on the wall. These people are so out of touch. I'm speechless. £3,000 a month? You want to see a fucking flower in a vase. It's your bedroom, so like everybody can see you, yeah? It looks spacious though. But 3K? No. No, thank you. No way. No way. Where's the washing machine, by the way? Where's the fridge? Oh yeah, you want to see the pillow. You want to see the pillow when you are looking for something to rent for 3K. You want to see the pillow. And the pillow which is folded so badly. You're telling me in one of those is a fridge and washing machine. I kind of doubt it because they're too small. So you're going to pay 3K, but you're not going to have fully equipped kitchen. That's it for today. There are so many more ads and listings I have to go through because this just keeps giving. I know I keep saying it, but this is ridiculous. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, subscribe. Don't miss the next one. And let me know in the comments what you think about it.